Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you could tune in for today's video. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha Marie and welcome. So let's go ahead and jump into the video because you guys know I get super excited when I have a what? A thrift haul. So this thrift haul is super small, but I was so excited about the pieces that I found. I couldn't even wait to get some more stuff. So let me start off with housewares. Got this beautiful vase, whichever you prefer to say, girl, no judging over here. This was only $3.93. I love the colors on here. It's like a gold, not necessarily gold, but like a rustic gold, and it bleeds or ombres down into like this black navy color, and I just thought this was so beautiful. I am in the process of redecorating my living room, and this is kind of my inspirational piece to build off of, changing out some pillows and throw rug in there. So I'm going to use this as my accent piece so that I can build my living room over. Got this cute little faux or fake orchid plant from the Goodwill. It was $3.69. But I just thought this was so cute. I actually have it in my downstairs powder room or bathroom on the sink, and it's just so cute. It adds a little bit of life into the restroom, or anytime you put plants into your home, whether they be fake or real. I think it just adds a good sense of, you know, well lived in home. And here she is. I am going to name you Tabitha. How vain am I? But no, seriously, this plant is super cute. I love it. So cute. Goodwill. I only went to the Goodwill this week. Like I said, I don't know what it is, but I have been in the Goodwill more than Value Village. Who am I? So let's jump into the next goodie. You guys, this dress is so beautiful. It's ugly. I was on the phone with my sister and I told her, I said, have you ever seen something that's so beautiful it could be ugly? And I found this beautiful paisley print dress. It's a white with blue, kind of turquoisey blue ruffles accent here, and it's a woman's 2X. It has a nice black belt here, and it's super simple, and it has some ruffles and on the bottom here, if you guys can see that. But it's super simple that it could go totally good or totally bad. I think it's gonna go totally good. I plan on wearing it with a jacket on top of it and some cute little black boots. It is a little too big, so I'll probably cinch in the back with just like a clip, or I could sew it. I mean, I don't think it'll hurt, but I think I'll just sew it right here because it's, like I said, 2 sizes too big. But it's so cute. This dress was $6.99 and it was red, so it was half price. So I got this dress for $3.99 or $3.49, half price. So I went to 2 different thrift stores. I got the shoes, the orchid plant at one thrift store. So these shoes were super trendy last year and early this spring. I think Gucci came out with the loafer last year, very similar to this with the faux fur on the inside. And I saw these and I thought, you know, I could totally do that faux fur look, or I can keep it simple. So I'm debating whether or not I'm gonna try to add in some faux fur to get that Gucci loafer print. But these are, I think this is the Target brand. They're a size 10, great condition, and they were $5.99. This last item that I have had me shook. I was in a thrift store in Lawrenceville where I got the vase or vase from, and I came across these beautiful, look at these girls. I love this color if you haven't noticed. This is my favorite color, that blush nudie pink. These are by the brand J.Crew. And J.Crew is like upscale Gap, Old Navy, like that one up from them. So it's like their higher end brand, and I just love J.Crew. The quality, if you ever came, I've never shopped in the store, I've only came across it in the thrift stores, but the quality of their product is unbeatable. Like, you will have it until you get rid of it, basically. But these are a size 10.5, and I love them. They have been worn, they're worn in, but they're in such good quality on the inside and stuff. You can just tell that they were walked in. Little scuff marks here and there, but overall the quality of the shoe is amazing. I love them so much. They are going to be my new best friends. I'm actually going to wear them today. I've already sanitized them for all my germaphobes. You take your good Lysol wipe with bleach or without. You wipe out the inside. You can wipe the bottom, but you're going to walk in them anyway. So I always use like a Lysol to clean them and let them sit overnight. And this was blue tag, so it was $5.99 in that store with half price. So boom, how you doing? How you living? How you thrifted? Guys, that's it. Like I said, the pieces are super cute, super amazing. I just didn't want to wait to post Saturday. I will probably post another thrift video on Saturday because I am going thrifting this weekend with a friend of mine. So I will show you what I came across. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Come and join the family. It's all good over here. I want you to be consistent. So turn on your notification bell so you don't miss an upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.